how do I get that confidence? How did you, especially with what you're doing, there's so many intangibles. Okay, I'm going to go out and I'm going to record myself teaching people how to be better. What the hell am I going to make on the money out of this?
Yeah.
Like, what you know what I'm saying? So how do you get that confidence to make a decision like that?
Yeah. Well, a bit of it is faith and self-belief. No one knows where stuff is going to go, definitely. But you can look at things and join the dots. Or, well, that's what I do. I look at things and I make educated guesses. And a lot of times those guesses come true. Sometimes they don't, but you just have a hypothesis and you test it. And the hypothesis I had, and not just me, because there are lots of us that do this financial content creation thing, back in 2018, 2019, was that, hey, a lot of financial information online is very complicated and a lot of it is in dollars. So if I just did the UK version of that, then there'll be this whole ecosystem of creators and brands and social platforms that I'll be able to do this on. That wasn't necessarily going to be the case, and it didn't manifest in the way completely that I thought it did, but I was at least partially right. And you just build and then you tweak as you go. I have hypotheses now about the way the world is going to go in the future, and I'm making decisions based on those hypotheses now.